Today, I'm not just repairing a motorcycle gearbox. I'm setting every single part with precision. Because inside a gearbox, even one small mistake can create vibration, rough shifting, false neutrals, or long-term transmission damage. First, I carefully inspect the shift shaft alignment. If it's even slightly off, the gear selector won't engage smoothly. Then I check the gear drum movement and clutch free play. Too tight, the gears fight each other. Too loose, shifting becomes delayed and unpredictable. Now comes one of the most ignored steps, sprocket alignment. Most riders never realize a bad sprocket line can send hidden stress directly into the gearbox system. Every washer, every bolt, every adjustment matters here. This isn't just mechanical work. This is precision tuning for smooth power delivery and long transmission life. And here's something many USA riders care about. A properly tuned gearbox doesn't only feel smoother, it also reduces wear during long highway rides and aggressive shifting. That means better control, better riding confidence, and fewer expensive repairs later. So while this may look like a simple gearbox setup, every tiny adjustment here protects the entire motorcycle.